Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Jeeps CJ-5, 7, and 8. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in these instructions, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components, and repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. With a 5/8, half-inch, 11/16, and a 9/16 sockets and wrenches, remove the shown sway bar bracket, brake line bracket, and upper shock mount bolts. Step 4. Place a set of stiffeners into place using the bolt holes as reference points, and take note of any obstructions. Begin cleaning the frame free of any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 5. Begin resecuring your upper shock mount and brackets into the first stiffener to ensure it's aligned properly. Step 6. The second stiffener is made to be universal and must be trimmed to your vehicle's measurements. Hold the part up to the frame and take note of the body mount bracket and leaf spring mount bracket locations. Begin measuring and trimming the stiffener to size. Step 7. Replace the stiffener and C-clamp and tack weld them into place. Step 6. Completely weld the stiffeners around all edges. And you're done.